Today we are going to solve a PORTSWIGGER Web Security Academy lab. Lab's name is SQL Injection Vulnerability Allowing Logging Bypass. It is a very simple, interesting and important lab for you. So this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the login function. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection attack that logins to application as the administrator user. First of all, access the lab by click on the access the lab button. I already opened the lab in another tab. Here we can see that this is an application which contains two pages, home page and my account page. In home page, many items are listed over here, and in my account page, login details you have to enter in username and password. If I am going to enter the username as Wiener and password as Peter, what will happen? I click on the login button, and what will happen? Because of invalid username or password, I can't able to access the account. Actually, what is happening is that if a user submit the username as Wiener and the password as Peter, the application check the credentials by performing an SQL query like this. Select star from the user where username is Wiener and password is Peter. If the query returns the details of a user, login is successful. Otherwise, it is rejected. This is actually happening in all the website or an application. But here the lab shows that there is a vulnerability, SQL injection vulnerability in login field. Here the attacker can log in as any user without any password. How is it possible? Do you have any idea about this? Here, the attacker will use a SQL command sequence. That means double sequence parameter he will use, so that after the sequence, no query will work. After this double sequence, all the query is treated as a command. So, for example, if submitting the username as administrator, sorry, caps log is on, administrator, single quote double dash, and password is blank or something you need to enter over here, and click on the login details. Login, administrator is admin. Something happened here. Administrator is administrator, single quote double dash, click on the login. Okay, successfully. Congratulations, we solved the lab. Actually, what is happening here? For example, submitting the username as administrator, single quote, double dash, and password is blank or something you enter, results in the following query like this. Select star from the users where username is administrator, single quote, double dash, and password is blank. This query returns the user whose username is administrator and successfully logs the attacker in as that user. So congratulations, you solved the lab successfully. I hope that you understood this lab very well. Thank you.